Bank of America just made a prediction that could redefine the future of robotics, AI, and humanity itself. According to their latest report, global humanoid robot sales are expected to hit 1 million units annually by 2030, and the number of operational units could skyrocket to a staggering 3 billion by 2060. Yes, you read that right. 3 billion humanoid robots. That's more than the current population of the entire world. And if that doesn't blow your mind, consider this. By 2060, 65% of these robots could be in our homes, helping with chores, caring for the elderly, or even keeping us company. This isn't just a prediction. It's a glimpse into a future that's closer than you might think. Welcome back, guys. Alfie here, bringing you another shocking AI news. Bank of America made a craziest AI robot prediction in history, and you can count on AI Nexus to bring you every detail as it unfolds. Let's go. So, what's driving this explosive growth in humanoid robotics? According to Bank of America, it's a combination of advancements in artificial intelligence, improvements in 3D cognitive technology, and the rapidly decreasing costs of hardware. These factors are converging to make humanoid robots more capable, more affordable, and more accessible than ever before. And with the United States and China leading the charge in innovation, the race to dominate this market is heating up. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. To understand why this prediction is so significant, we need to break it down. What does it mean for humanoid robots to become this widespread? How will they be used? And what challenges need to be overcome to make this vision a reality? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the numbers. Bank of America's prediction of 1 million humanoid robots sold annually by 2030 is staggering, but it's not as far-fetched as it might seem. To put it in perspective, consider how quickly other technologies have scaled. In 2010, there were around 1 million smartphones sold globally. By 2020, that number had grown to over 1.5 billion annually. If humanoid robots follow a similar trajectory, 1 million units by 2030 is entirely plausible. But the real eye-opener is the prediction of 3 billion operational units by 2060. To put that into context, that's roughly 1 robot for every 3 people on the planet. And according to the report, the majority of these robots, 65%, will be used in domestic environments. That means we're talking about robots in our homes, helping with everything from cleaning and cooking to childcare and elder care. Another 32% will be used in the service sector, working in hotels, restaurants, and retail, while just 3% will be deployed in industrial settings. This shift from industrial to domestic and service applications is a big deal. Historically, robots have been confined to factories and warehouses, performing repetitive tasks like assembling cars or sorting packages. But as AI and robotics technology advance, we're seeing a new generation of robots that are designed to interact with humans in more dynamic and complex environments. This is where the real potential lies, not just in replacing human labor, but in augmenting it. So, what's driving this explosive growth? According to Bank of America, there are 3 key factors: advancements in artificial intelligence, improvements in 3D cognitive technology, and the decreasing costs of hardware. Let's start with AI. Over the past decade, we've seen incredible progress in machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. These technologies are the backbone of modern robotics, enabling robots to perceive their environment, understand human speech, and make decisions in real time. But what's really exciting is the emergence of general-purpose AI models that can be applied across a wide range of tasks. This means that instead of being programmed for specific functions, robots can learn and adapt to new situations, much like humans do. Next, there's 3D cognitive technology. This refers to the ability of robots to perceive and understand their environment in 3 dimensions. Advances in sensors, cameras, and algorithms have made it possible for robots to navigate complex spaces, recognize objects, and interact with them in meaningful ways. For example, a robot might be able to identify a cup on a table, pick it up, and pour water into it, all without explicit programming. This level of spatial awareness is critical for robots operating in dynamic, real-world environments. Finally, there's the falling cost of hardware. According to the report, the production cost of humanoid robots is expected to drop from $35,000 at the end of this year to just $17,000 by 2030. To put that in perspective, Tesla's second-generation Optimus robot currently costs between $50,000 and $60,000 per unit. As production scales and technology improves, these costs are expected to come down significantly, making humanoid robots more accessible to businesses and consumers alike. When it comes to innovation in humanoid robotics, two countries are leading the pack: the United States and China. Both nations have made significant investments in AI and robotics, and both are home to some of the most advanced companies in the field. In the US, companies like Boston Dynamics, Tesla, and Agility Robotics are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot, for example, is renowned for its agility and dexterity, while Tesla's Optimus is designed to be a general-purpose humanoid that can perform a wide range of tasks. Agility Robotics, meanwhile, is focused on creating robots for logistics and delivery, with its Digit robot already being tested in real-world environments. In China, companies like UB Tech, Engine AI, and Unitree Robotics are making waves with their own humanoid robots. UB Tech's Walker X, for example, is designed for service applications, while Engine AI's PM01 and Unitree's G1 are compact, affordable robots aimed at researchers and developers. With strong government support and a rapidly growing tech sector, China is well-positioned to become a major player in the global robotics market. So, what will all these robots actually do? According to Bank of America's report, the majority, 65%, will be used in domestic environments. This includes everything from household chores like cleaning and cooking to more specialized tasks like childcare and elder care. Imagine a robot that can help an elderly person get out of bed, prepare meals, and even provide companionship. Or a robot that can keep your house spotless while you're at work. These are the kinds of applications that could become commonplace in the coming decades. Another 32% of robots will be used in the service sector, working in hotels, restaurants, retail stores, and other customer-facing environments. These robots could handle tasks like greeting guests, taking orders, or restocking shelves, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. And with advancements in AI, these robots could even provide personalized recommendations or assist with customer service inquiries. Finally, just 3% of robots will be used in industrial settings. This might seem surprising given that industrial robots have been around for decades. But as robots become more versatile and capable, their role in factories and warehouses is likely to evolve. Instead of being confined to repetitive tasks, they could take on more complex roles, like quality control or equipment maintenance. Of course, with such rapid growth comes significant challenges. One of the biggest concerns is the ethical implications of widespread robot adoption. If robots are capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, what happens to those jobs? Will robots replace human workers, or will they augment our capabilities? These are complex questions that don't have easy answers, but they're questions we need to start addressing now. Another challenge is safety. As robots become more integrated into our lives, ensuring their safe operation is critical. This includes everything from preventing accidents to protecting against cyber attacks. After all, a robot that's connected to the internet could potentially be hacked, posing a risk to both individuals and organizations. Finally, there's the question of regulation. As robots become more advanced and widespread, governments will need to establish guidelines to ensure their safe and ethical use. This includes everything from data privacy to safety standards for humanoid robots. It's a complex issue, but one that's critical to getting right. Bank of America's prediction of 1 million humanoid robots sold annually by 2030 and 3 billion operational units by 2060 is nothing short of revolutionary. It's a vision of a future where robots are not just tools, but partners, integrated into every aspect of our lives, from our homes to our workplaces. But perhaps the most exciting thing about all of this is the sense of possibility. We're standing on the brink of a new era, where robots are no longer just machines, They're intelligent, adaptable, and capable of transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. And with companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and UB Tech leading the charge, the future looks brighter than ever. So, what do you think? Are we on the verge of a robotics revolution? And what does this mean for the future of work, industry, and everyday life? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and robotics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.